Hi, I'm Chantrell, and today I'm breaking down one of the biggest changes from the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. Yes, standard deduction. It's increased, and that means more of your income stays in your wallet or your purse instead of going to Uncle Sam. Let's get into it. So the IRS just bumped up the standard deduction amounts for 2025 and 2026 taxes. That is the flat number that you can deduct from your income on your taxes. For 2025, the amounts are now $31,500 for married filing joint, $23,625 for head of household, and $15,750 for single. Now I'm looking on the side because I'm looking at my notes to make sure I have all the numbers correct. But next year it's going to go up a little bit more, and I'll come back with more information about that in another video. So why does this matter to you? Well, basically, you're going to be able to deduct more on your taxes without even doing anything. No tax planning, no trying to figure out what type of deductions and write-offs you can do, no extra credits or whatever the case may be. You won't have to do all of that. You'll just basically be able to deduct this flat fee from your income. That's free tax savings with no itemizing, no special forms, just free deductions by default. So what should you do about this, and what does it mean to you? If you've been itemizing in previous years, you might want to look at your taxes with the itemizations and without and see which one works best for you. You might be actually saving money by not itemizing. Who would have thought? So you just need to make sure that you take advantage of these changes. Make sure you're working with your tax professional to make sure that you are taking all of the deductions that you need. If you need to take deductions, and if you don't need to take deductions, then don't even do it. Don't even itemize. The standard deduction is actually a pretty good thing. Make sure that you watch this video right here that's going to give you even more information on this big, beautiful bill and all of the tax savings that you can make. Thanks for joining me. Have a great one. Bye.